This is Charlie from Fightfast. We got 3 self-defense moves. Let's get right into it.
Now for our next move, we're going to do an ear slap. A slap is basically where we keep our fingers together and we want to keep it slightly hollow and loose. We don't want the hand flat, but we want to cup it. We want the wrists loose and we just rock back and slap. It forms an echo and it's going to blow the opponent's equilibrium. It's a very, very good shot. Now you say, why slap instead of punch? We could teach you how to punch, but again, this would take months, perhaps years to learn, where 1 good slap is worth 5 left hooks. So I'd like to see you training first in front of the mirror, over and over again, keep the wrists loose, fingers together, and just boom, rock back and slap. You can slap the ear, you can slap the groin. When you slap, the energy disperses, and it tends to hurt more. It throws the opponent's balance off, and it disorients him, and gives you the ability to run, and that's what we're looking for. Okay, Rich, come on in. Now when you train with your partner, first of all, I want you to use his shoulder, of course, instead of his ear. Just get that feeling to rock back and slap. Boom! Once you get that down and you know the mechanics of it, then you allow him to grab you somewhere. And wherever he grabs you, boom, you just slap. He grabs you here, again, bam, a slap. Sometimes it may feel better if he grabs you to go boom to the eyes. Other times it may feel better to grab, boom, to go to the throat. You don't know which. But regardless, what we're going to do is we're going to revert back to one of these 8 tools. And if you know these 8 tools over and over again, instead of 8,000 techniques, your odds of winning a street fight will be greatly enhanced.
Hey guys, I'm jumping in here real fast. I want to give you some free videos. Go check out the description. We got a link to our free Fight Enders video. It's totally free. In that video, you'll get trained by martial artists, Green Berets, Black Ops, a whole bunch of specialists in the military and martial artists. The video is totally free. The link's in the description. Go check it out. Back to the video.
Absolutely. If I got a warning, he's got a problem with his fists are up, he's getting ready to talk. And remember this, if a man is talking to you and threatening you, and he's talking smack, you say something. He's getting ready to come in with a punch, he's coming in with he's talking, go. You'll find that you can't talk and punch at the same time. But we're going to change things now. We're going to change things that you have out there possibly. It's an equalizer. We're going to get into an equalizer. And I can't use it on a jack as much. Can't use it on a jack as much. He comes in, but say he's really skilled, he's a little welder or bodybuilder or whatever. He comes in, boom, comb is here again. Comb is here again. This is very frightening because I'm going to turn him into a shield. It's just here. Can't break his neck, of course. There's no reason. He's my shield. When I dump someone, you'll notice I never get behind them. I'm always at an angle. So when I dump him, he's going to drop forward. I'm moving out of the way. I'm always out of the way if I have to dump him. The only reason I would dump this man is I got to go to his wife, I got to go to my family or whatever. I don't need a shield. I don't need a shield. I got to get to someone I love quickly because this other person isn't on me. He's on somebody else. Very important. Simple comb. When he gives me enough time. What I mean by that, he's up there, he's already talking. He's already telling me what he's going to do to me. So you got time. You don't let him see the comb and go. So now the big guy comes in. Thank you, Jack. If you get time, you got to survive that initial attack. He came in. Boom. You survived it. Your comb came up. Your comb came up. This is lethal. My hand is here. Comb is very tight here. As he comes in hard, and when I'm here, when he's coming, I'm very relaxed. You will never see me, go ahead, get into this fighting kind of emotion. You will see me as he comes in, just float into him. Just float into him as I'm coming in. This is what you saw already. It's going to be here. Bam. Hook it. It's not going to kill him, but it's sure going to do some damage. Again, stepping behind it, I don't need a shield. I'm going to snap him back and dump him right to the floor. Comb can be used for many different things. He's coming up. Be careful on this one, Bob. As he throws a punch him here, you're just going to rip. You just ripped across his throat here. He thinks you got a knife in your hand. He thinks he has a weapon. No, it's not. He doesn't see it. You had time. Boom, boom. You're just right here. And you're getting out of the way. You have distance. You have distance, which is very, very important. Another weapon. Again, there's a difference between a small man and a big man. We're dealing with a big man. Things are ugly. Things are very, very ugly. You've got time. Boom, your pen came up. He's coming in hard. Again, it's straight in. Straight in. The pen is straight in from here. Always grabbing hair, slamming it, whatever you need to do. But you can't kill this guy. This pen won't kill him. But it'll sure do an extreme amount of damage. He comes in straight in. He's coming straight in. You're slamming it. Boom. Pen comes straight in. You stopped him. Stopped him. Bring it in. Grab some hair. Strike to the base of the skull, which is very, very important. Getting to the base of the skull. There are no rules out there. Maybe he's coming in hard. Strike to the groin. Here. But you're leaving now. I got out of there. I didn't need a shield. I'm gone. Never meeting his power. Never meeting his power. There are no rules. There are no high side. There are no low side. But some of the things that are rules is that, number one, you heard me express it. Boom, he comes in. There are no blocks. There are no locks. There are no kicks. There's no high, low side. There are no stances. Absolutely, you can't get into a stance. And when you train, practice from different angles. I'm standing, all of a sudden he's there. Boom! You're right. You got to decide. You've got to decide where you're going to be at. There's not going to be rules out there. You don't walk around, okay, we're going to go for it. That's not going to happen. Those that train on these different levels, you need to take to a classroom and see that. So if you're standing there, he throws a punch, and you practice your techniques, that's fine. Martial arts, notice the word is art. The art of fighting in a controlled situation. Making techniques work. Let me say that again. Making techniques work. In a fighting situation, he comes in quick, nothing works. Nothing works. The only thing that may, notice I say may, there are no guarantees out there. Anyone that says, this is the ultimate, this will keep you alive, this is the best, he's got a closed mind and he's not dealing real, because there's not such a thing out there. There's a 10-year-old kid right now in some alley practicing with a knife or whatever that could take me apart in a second. You never have the mindset. Keep an open mind. Watch this tape. Get other ideas. Experiment. Keep an open mind. Do the things that happen to you. Do the things that happen to you, which is very important. One of the things that you're going to see, and we use this a lot when you get in the nights, he's going to throw a punch, and your hands are here. He just threw that punch, but watch what this hand does. He comes in hard here, and your hand just rubs into his face. It doesn't punch. Doesn't punch. You're just here. And you're just rubbing your hands in his face. It's a lousy feeling when you rub your hand in someone's face. It gave me that opportunity to come forward. I am not going to tell you exactly what to do or how to do it, but there's open mind to how to get there. But don't fight his strength or his power. Don't do it, because he'll kill you. He'll go right through you. He'll kill you. I promise.
Hey guys, make sure to like this video and let's get into the last tip. Here we go.
Another aspect of moving bodies will be the neck twist. Corey's a big guy. He wants to attack me. He wants to come up to me and talk to me in a physical manner. Oh, I'm going to get down. Okay. I'm just going to take him down. It's a real simple move. Where that head go, that neck, once you twist his neck, his body's going to follow. He's going to go with the pain. Once he goes with the pain, you're going to drop him. Once you drop him, you're exiting. Because again, he might have some homies sitting around. He might have other individuals that you know, whether male or female. His woman might be a just ride or die chick. And she might be trying to stab you from the back. So when I hear bam, I want to go. That's my main aspect, is just bouncing out the situation once I grab that neck twist. Again, wherever the neck, let's go over here. Wherever that neck goes, that body's going to follow. Just turning it, letting them see the sky. You know, what's up there, homie? Check that out. And drop his head down. Most people don't tuck their chin when they fall. So you're looking at also an aspect of once he falls, you got your head hitting the ground. You're trying to get rid of this cat and move on to the next exit or what have you. Any way that you can get away from him. Those are the neck twists. That's the shoulder push. That's the shoulder pull. These are stand-up grappling methods that can get you up out of a situation or lead somebody into a dangerous situation when you bring into your ghetto boxing into this.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.